Hello everybody, how are you all? A Bisque day. It's going to be very short. And I'm going to show you why. Can you please take a video of this mess? This, in Hebrew we call it balagan. And why I made this mess, I don't know, but I decided it would be just easier if you're wondering what that is. And this is it. So I decided to make many of these, and I'm gonna make them separate, and when I put the glaze on them, this is how I'm gonna fire them the second time, like that. But I thought it would be easier just to save some space in the kiln. Okay, that's another one. I don't know. I think it was this way, yes. Cute, huh? And another one. Let's put them all together. Yes. This I actually made. It's like it's gonna be like a pot for flowers that I made, because I can't grow flowers, they all dead. So I decided this is what I'm gonna do. Anyway, another one. And another one. And another one. And another one.
It's a big family.
Yes, one big happy family. And another one. No, this I don't know why I left it here. Excuse me for a second. Here. This one. Here. Okay. I don't know why they make
Maybe you
this,
can turn them so they face the camera.
Oh, okay. So this one. Okay. 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 They're like little tiny soldiers. No, we don't like the word soldiers. We're just gonna call them little dwarfs. I'm gonna give them names.
Snail chick.
Snail chick. Yes. Snail. And mushroom. And if you're wondering what kind of flowers I'm gonna make, flowers. They're gonna be like here somehow. I'm gonna arrange them. Oh.
It's an elephant.
It's kinda.
Kinda.
Yes. And mugs.
Mm-hmm.
Another mug. And surprise, surprise. Okay. So, this is it, guys. I hope you liked my video. And you can subscribe if you like my videos, I suggest. And you can like them as well. Thank you. And have a good weekend from Cyprus.